Hey friends, today my colleague Ms. Geeta is going to cook a fantastic healthy continental recipe called Zucchini Boat. It's very healthy. I'll tell you what is healthy about it. But before that, this Zucchini Boat, we are going to make it with a lot of Indian twist. Garam masala, Indian spices and all that. It's very healthy. I'll tell you what is healthy about it at the end of it. But before that, see how to make it. that was a mouth-watering zucchini boat. I just loved it. This time we made it with mushrooms because we wanted to tell you predominantly on a vegetarian front because vegetarian people have very little options when it comes to protein. See, vegetarian people can also replace this mushroom with paneer or rajma. Okay, non-vegetarian people, naturally, you can go for anything that goes well with this. We recommend chicken. The zucchini boat is rich in fiber, protein, and fat. This can be taken and consumed by all age group, no restrictions. Actually, kids will love it more because it's called as a boat. It looks like a boat. It doesn't look like a normal, your regular meal, and it's very gastronomic. Zucchini boat, the main ingredient itself is a water-containing vegetable, which is zucchini. So it actually helps in reducing blood pressure, and it actually slows down your aging process as well. A word of caution, this might cause a little bit of digestive issues for people with ulcerative colitis, Crohn's disease, and IBS. You know IBS, right? Irritable bowel syndrome. So it's a word of caution from me.